now call in the state of Texas versus Nisha Antoinette Hawkins. That's you, present with your attorney and the state's attorney. Does Mr. Reynolds, the defendant, waive formal readings of these indictments and arraignments? Can we proceed in silence?
She will, and you may.
Okay, again, which one to be dismissed? You said 581?
581 will be dismissed. and
23
will be 582.
dash 41581 alleges first degree felony of injury to a child. That is going to be dismissed based upon this agreement. Is that your understanding, ma'am? Okay. So then we go and focus now on the other pending case 23 41582. And again, does the defendant waive a formal reading of this indictment? And we can summarize.
Yes, sir.
In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about September 22nd, 2022 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the first degree felony of injury to a child. Do you understand what you are charged with here now? If convicted of this first degree felony, you face a term of life in prison or any term of not more than 99 years or less than 5 years in prison. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
Yeah.
An agreement has been reached that whatever punishment shall not exceed a cap of 40 years in prison. So you will be looking at no less than 5, no more than 40 years in prison. Is regular probation an option?
Not believe in probation.
And deferred or unadjudicated probation could be?
Yes, Ron. That's good.
There are different options here that may be available for the court to consider, but the most important thing is, again, whatever sentence shall not exceed a cap of 40 years in prison. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes.
And then the other case, 41581, shall be dismissed. If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes.
So how do you plead to this indictment charging you with this first degree felony of injury to a child, guilty or not guilty? Are you pleading guilty voluntarily and because you were guilty of what this alleges? Just show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document voluntarily, understand it, discuss it with your attorney? Are the contents all true and correct?
Yes.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence.
No objections.
Without objection, it is admitted. Among other things, State's Exhibit 1 states in this case that you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It is freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you, or you've read it. You are guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. Totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All of this is true at state, so help you God. State's Exhibit 1 will be made a part of the record for all purposes. Now, what we're going to do is order a pre-sentence review. And you will work with the probation office and they will get information from you. They'll do their research and prepare a pre-sentence report. All the parties will get to review it. And then we would come back and additional evidence can be submitted. The arguments will be made by the lawyers and then the court will make its decision based upon the limits on this agreement. Do you understand? Anything else I don't need to sign that. So you're gonna deal with that. Okay, please see the probation officer and we will reset this until
15.
June 15th. 2026 at 9 o'clock a.m. for a sentencing hearing. Thank you. That time, the other pending case shall be dismissed.
Yeah, I'll see.
In front of the court is 24 CR 1363. There's a motion to dismiss. We're going to try a state jail felony of theft. Is that one?
Still.
Then around, look, this thing's like older than me. I don't even give I give my age in dog years, so people don't know exactly how.
This one was for Mr. Moore, that Daniel,
It's 2.5 years old, actually older than that. So you're looking at the 2 years in the state jail. What's my
give me a
experience?
second,
Something on the
Mr.
phone.
Laird, and I hope now I can convince her.
Yeah, we've
Go on, put this aside.
You can be ready.
These aren't things that normally are, these circumstances aren't normally tried, but they can be. That's okay.
Thank you, Judge. Let me, Mr.
Mr. Roots, Jamie LaBeouf.